If you're looking to boost your content marketing strategy, Folk CRM is a powerful tool you should know about. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Folk CRM for content marketing with a quick explanation on how this platform can help streamline your efforts. First off, let's talk about why Folk CRM is so valuable. It's designed to simplify your workflows, helping you organize, automate, and track all the different moving pieces of your content marketing efforts. Whether you're managing content calendars, tracking communication with partners, or following up with clients, Folk CRM brings everything into one space. One of its standout features is the ability to segment your contacts effectively. You can create custom tags for specific content projects or campaigns, making it incredibly easy to organize your contacts by interest, lead status, or content type. Imagine being able to quickly find every contact interested in a particular subject or piece of content you've published, allowing you to tailor your follow-up and outreach efforts. Using Folk CRM for content marketing also means you get to track engagement easily. You can set up automated workflows to track responses to emails, social media mentions, or content shares. This means you'll never miss an opportunity to engage with someone who's shown interest in your content, leading to more meaningful conversations and conversions. But what really sets Folk CRM apart is its user-friendly interface. The platform's simplicity makes it a great choice for beginners, but its flexibility also offers advanced features for seasoned marketers. You don't need to be tech-savvy to take full advantage of it. Yet you can still dive deep into analytics and reports if needed. And with all your data in one place, you can quickly pivot and adjust your strategy when needed, making it ideal for content marketing. As you build your content marketing strategy with Folk CRM, it's not just about tracking emails or social media posts. You can leverage its integrations with tools like Zapier to connect your CRM with your existing marketing stack, allowing you to automate tasks across your entire workflow. For example, you could automate content distribution or synchronize contact details between Folk CRM and your email marketing platform. And let's not forget about personalization. Folk CRM's capabilities allow you to send highly personalized messages to your contacts. You can send tailored content recommendations or automated follow-ups, which will make your audience feel more valued and keep them engaged with your content. Now, if you're new to Folk CRM, don't worry. You can try the platform completely for free by clicking the first link in the description below. We've secured an exclusive bonus for you, so you can explore all these features at no cost. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage Folk CRM for content marketing. And before you go, remember that this offer comes with an extended free trial, so you can dive in and start using it right away. If you're ready to take your content marketing to the next level, Folk CRM could be the tool that helps you do just that. Make sure to grab your free trial now, and don't forget to check out the bonuses we've set up for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.